Very simple exercises. You start with very simple exercises. Ask very simple statements and try to improve them. Use Grammarly software and other applications. Try to write something, edit it, improve it. 31st July is the last date. All of you should apply for government scheme of UVA. What is UVA scheme? You should understand. UVA scheme has been introduced by Government of India to encourage you people to become good writers. Therefore, all of you should participate in UVA scheme. On Google platform, you can write UVA scheme. When you type, you find this Mentoring UVA Innovate India. You click here and this website opens. What does it mean? Do you think you are a good writer? Yes, you are a good writer. If you are not a writer, you will become a writer, no problem. So UVA scheme gives you platform. You can get mentorship and 50,000 rupees per month. This is an excellent scheme for you. So what you have to do? Click here to submit. Okay. Contacting my government. Here you have to write your email ID or mobile number. Here you have to mention your password. If you don't have yet login this, then you can log in using your Gmail, or you can use your Facebook account, or you can use login with OTP. So you can log in on this website and submit your entry. Your entry means you have to write a book. You have to write one small book on India's freedom struggle, or you have to write an e-book on India's national movement, India's fight for independence. You write a book on this. It's so simple. Writing a book is very simple. You have to just express your thoughts. Why do you think it is difficult? It is not at all difficult. All of you can write it. What do you do? Always start with first chapter, introduction. Then second chapter, right? First of all, write down title of your book. What should be the title of your book? Yes, India's freedom struggle. You can change the topic, you can change the title of your book, because you have to write something which becomes catchy, which becomes popular. You can write India's freedom struggle, or you can write down, I can modify this topic, you can modify this topic, role of women in India's freedom struggle. Let's say this is the title of your book. Then what do? First chapter is introduction. What should be the second chapter? Can you speak? What should be the second chapter? Second chapter is the main chapter. In the second chapter, you can also add, right, stories of proper great women freedom fighter movement. What was the role of women in freedom struggle? Let's say you can write down 3-4 more stories like this. Then chapter 3. So what would you write in chapter 3? In chapter 3, you can share these lessons. What will be chapter 4? Now on each of these chapters, you can write about 500 to 2000 words easily. Chapter 2 can be big. Chapter 2 alone, in chapter 2 alone, you can write 2000 words. In chapter 1, introduction, you can write 500 words. In chapter 3, 4, 5, you can write 500 words each. So in this way, your entry is ready. So when your entry is ready, save it, book on freedom struggle. Save it and upload it. Where? This is the website that I have been talking to you. Yes, this is the website on which you have to upload your entry. So once you have uploaded your entry, well, your entry is done. You will get, I am sure, you will get this award. So you will be feeling pride, I will be feeling pride, and everybody will be feeling happy. This is a great opportunity. This is a great opportunity for you. Should try to develop the writer within you. You all have writer in yourself. You have a writer in yourself. Why don't you try it? Why don't you try? Make an effort, make an attempt. When you will try, you are able to win. If you will not try, how will you win? You have not participated, you are neither winning, you are not losing, nothing is happening. But if you are trying, either you will be selected, if you are not selected, even then you are learning something. So write down. This is a golden opportunity. What you have to do, I have already explained to you. On Google, you write down, type the word Yuva Scheme. Search the Google, YUVA, Yuva Scheme. Write an ebook of 5,000 words. Get it published. Remember, 31st July is the last date. You prepare your manuscript and upload it. If you are selected, what will happen? You will get guidance from very good writers. They will guide you how to write a book. They will help you in improving your book. They will help you in editing your book. And your book will be actually published. Whatever royalty will be there, that royalty will also come to you. And if you are not selected, fine, no problem. At least you have written a book in this way. So this is a golden opportunity. Please try to develop writer hidden inside you. You have a writer inside you. You have a very creative individual inside you. You have a very, very energetic youth inside you. So therefore, 24 hours are there with everybody. Some of them spend this time in sleeping. But people like you should wake up. You have to use, out of these 24 hours, you have to use 18 hours in constructive projects. Out of 24 hours, used 18 hours in some constructive work. Do something right, do something constructive, so that you are able to get happiness of achievement. You cannot achieve something just by dreaming. To become an achiever, you have to act. You have to really work very hard. This is the golden opportunity for you. Such a golden opportunity has come to you. If you will not use this opportunity will go away. So don't let this opportunity go away. All of you engage. When you are trying to write, lot of problems will come. Sometimes you'll not be able to get the right words. Sometimes there will be grammatical mistakes. Sometimes there will be some other problems. Don't worry. Keep trying, and all of you will be able to write. Right? Take help from others who can help you. There's nothing to worry, nothing to shame. Take help. I am available. You can contact me if you face problems. Many other people are available. Take guidance from them. Take help from your seniors. Take help from your teachers. Ask them how to write. If study material is not available for you, if adequate books are not available with you, check internet library, online library. I will suggest you, there are plenty of online libraries, you can consult them. E-books are there, plenty of e-books are there. Search out, use, read them, and then in your own language you write books. There's a website, script.com. Script.com is a very good website. You can find here good books, plenty of books. You can log in, sign in, and access the books online. Another one is slideshare.com. This is another website. Plenty of books, plenty of study materials are available. Slideshare.com. PPTs are available. You can read them and prepare your own ebooks. Then you can also search out Archives of Bikaner. Yes, Rajasthan State Archives, Bikaner. This is an e-library. It has e-library. Very, very old textbooks are available on this e-library. So you can access to this, it's a library, and these wonderful e-books you can download, and you can read them. They will help you. So this way you can start, right? There are plenty of good reservoirs of books on internet. You can consult them, prepare them, read other books, and based on them, you can prepare your own ebooks. Thank you.